Okay, hello, welcome. Okay, this is the part one of the guide on how to work with the trading bot. In this video, I'm going to be covering from the subscription to the activation to the logging in and then connecting to Deriv. Okay, so the second part is going to cover the trading aspect, the bot trading, the rule, and other information you need to know about the trading bot. That is the trading plan as well. Now, the first thing about the subscription is that you have to come to this website, TMNmedia bot.onrender.com. Now, it's going to be displaying on the screen. Okay, so once you come to the website, what you need to do is to click on this. Okay, that is this subscription, get new subscription. Okay, I need you to understand first and foremost that the bot is free. The bot itself, this trading bot is free, but it works with a signal setup that requires subscription. So you are actually paying for the subscription of the signal setup. Okay, you are paying for subscription of the signal that the bot is going to be trading. So the subscriptions that are available and the one you need to do has to be from the quarterly. Okay, 3 months upward. Those are the subscription that activate the bot. A monthly subscription will not suffice. A weekly subscription will not suffice. It is from 3 months, okay, because of the projection of the bot. So, and then you can see the price for the subscription, okay, 13.5 for 3 months, then 6 months, then this is for a year. Okay, those are the subscription. Once you click on this and then you click on subscribe, you'll be required to pay. So you work out the checkout and then you make payment. Once you make payment, you're going to receive your login details. Okay, once you make your payment, you're going to receive your login details with the link that is going to bring you back to this trading bot website. Then you can now log in with your details. All right, now I need to. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to be seeing this. All right, once you log in, you will see this page. All right, a disclaimer. It's very important for you to understand this. A good disclaimer: do not trade with money you cannot afford to risk. Okay, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Do not trade with money for project, for land, for your house rent, school fees, or project or stuff. Start small. Okay, I always encourage people start trading small, and then it's not a do or die thing. It will always work. All right, so now this is what you'll find. Okay, once you get here, the first step you need to take after you have done your subscription, you've gotten your account activated, you log in. The next thing is to connect your Deriv account to the robot. How do you do that? You're going to click on this button and say connect. Now, once you click, it's going to prompt you to log into your Deriv account. All you need to do is to enter your password and log in. And then once you connect, it is going to automatically, okay, approve. Deriv is going to approve TMNmedia app to be able to trade on your account. Okay, so once you click on confirm, you will now be able to select. You can see it's going to select 2 accounts from your account. No matter how many you have, it's going to select only USD accounts. Okay, so for those who do not have USD account, you can only connect USD account to this robot. All right, so the next thing you do, you can see the one that start with CR is real account. The one that start with VRT is demo. So for your first week or even first month, I recommend you use demo so that you can experience and master the process of the trading bot. Okay, now all you need to do is to click on select. After you've selected the demo account, you click on select, and then it's going to take you to the trading page. Now this is the trading page. I would want to introduce this page to you, okay, because there are things you need to take note of. All right, there are things you need to take note of. Number one, look at them. Okay, the first thing you can see here, I'm going to introduce this page, explain everything that is on this page before we even start trading. Okay, the next video is going to cover the trading aspect, the plan, and everything. All right. What you need to understand is you see this first bar that shows network represents your own internet, your phone internet. The internet, if you don't have internet on your phone right now, this guy is going to be offline. All right. Now, the second one that says status connected is your connection to TMNmedia server. If you did not see this connected, you are not going to trade. Okay? Your account is not going to trade. This status that shows connected, if it is not connected, if it is not so, you're not going to trade. Now, this ping represents the speed of your connectivity. How fast is it? Now, once it is below 2,000, 3,000, you are okay. Okay, your account is going to trade. But once it is above, once it's taking longer time, okay, you're not going to be able to trade. That means your internet is bad. You need to wait till the network is good enough before you can trade. Now, here when you say connect to Deriv, if for instance you want to reconnect another account, if you click on this, it's going to take you back to your account where you can reconnect and select. Now, you log out. When you're done, you log out. But necessarily, there is not going to be need for you to be logging out, because the platform is going to automatically log you out if there is no more action. Okay, now this WebSocket's own is for the signal. Okay, the signal that the robot is going to be trading. While this trading status is once your bot has started trading, it's going to be active. Then you can see this interface. The account we've selected, you can see it here. If it is real, you're also going to see it here. This is your account details and when your subscription is going to expire. Now, this place you can see the stake here. Now, here is showing 50. By default, the value you're going to get is like $5. Now, you have to now set your stake that you want to choose. Now, you're going to get more details and explanation about how this works, okay, in the next video. But simply put, what you need to do about this is, let's say I want to change this stake right now to 20. All I need to do is to click on this save, okay? And it's going to be updated to 20. So now my stake is now 20. Are you getting it? So this is where you get to change your stake. Now, this is one of the most important inputs for you from you on the robot. Now, if you want to go back to your account, let's say you made a mistake. Okay, I want to select my real account. You click on this back to select account. You can see it shows us connected account, and I can select and say, okay, I want to select my real account. Now, I've selected my real account. Can you see that it has changed here and is showing my real account selected? Now, it's also going to load up at the bottom here and show me the balance on the account. Can you see this account has 0 balance? Okay, this is the account details. This is the balance. It is 0. So it's not going to trade. All right. There is not going to be any trade on it because it has minimum. Even if I click on start, it's not going to do anything. Why? The minimum balance you need has to be ×3 of your stake. So I'll cover that in the next video. So let's select back to, you want to change back, or you want to remove your account. You get to do all that here, okay? You can disconnect all your accounts connected, or you can choose here to select another account. So I'm going to select demo. Remember, your first week or first month, you should use demo to test and understand the process. Now, this same platform is available on mobile and it's available on laptop. You can use it on the laptop. Now, the other part that I want to show you, apart from right now, you know I'm still introducing all the other parts to you. Let's go back to the dashboard. In fact, we've not selected. Let me go back. I have not selected. So we back to select account. So I'm going to select demo. Click on select. You have to click on select, okay, to register it. Then it's going to display it here that we have selected demo. Okay. Now we have our account stake where we can edit our stake. Now these ones, they show us status, okay? This guy here will show me the status of my Deriv. My Deriv is connected. If it is not connected, this is going to be inactive, okay? My bot is not yet activated. We've not started trading. This is the stake that I have. Now you need to see the options we are trading. The options are available. Goes outside and accumulator. Now, there are more details to be given in the later video on goes outside and accumulator, how they work. But goes outside can give you 7.5%. Accumulator can give you 8%, or I think 8.5% as well. Now, these two are more stable. I'm also trying to introduce the last one, which I'm updating. That's ends outside. Or that one gives more higher profit, I think about 15 or 18% return. So when the time is right, I'm going to update that. So here you're going to be seeing your balance as at when it was checked. This was the time as at when it was checked on the performance status. This is where you're also going to be seeing the total trade, the daily trade, the total profit you've made. Now this one is for selecting the signals you want to trade. If you want just the normal one or you want the selected one. Now the selected one, the normal one, they are all good signals, but the selected one takes more time in trading. It takes more time for it. It's going to be selecting signals before it trades them. Okay, now this is the option, and this option has to be selected before you start trading. All right, now then we have this region where you're going to be seeing all the updates. Once you start your robot, you started trading, all the information, the status so far, and then the signal it's trading. You're going to be seeing them here where you have live trading signals. Then you have the summary of the performance of how you've been trading for the day and for the month. Then you have all the list of your trades, okay, here, all the list of your trade. Now, I make sure the disclaimer is bold enough so that you are going to be able to see. Now, you can run this bot on both laptop and mobile phone conveniently. Laptop, there is no issue. I don't need to do any update on laptop, but on mobile, that's where I need to get feedback from you. Okay, the feedback from you based on the type of phone you're using. Now, but there is one thing I want to finally wrap this up with to let you understand. After you have set this up, you need to do this final step. What is the step? Now, can you see the three dots here? Normally, if I have not installed this thing on my phone before, it would have popped up. But because I have installed it before now, okay, that's why it's not popping up. So, in whichever your case is, just click on the three dots. Then you're going to scroll down and look for Add to Home Screen, right? Once you click on Add to Home Screen, you're going to see Install. All right, so what you're going to do is we're going to install, and we'll say Install. Now, this is downloading and installing. I need you to see this. It is installing already, right? Now it is installing the app on your phone so that you don't have to go to the browser anymore. You can go directly to the app and start on it and start functioning. Okay, now can you see this? Okay, can you see this? It's showing me notification already that my internet is slowing down. Okay, it's slowing down. It's not that fast. It's now slowing. It's not moving fast as expected. It's slowing down. Now, when it is slowing down, it's not going to trade. It means it is not good enough for you to trade. Okay, it means there is lagness. Okay, so once it's doing that, there is lagness. So you need to correct it. Now, what do we need to do? I'll tell you. Let's first go and check. Let's first go and check our app that we've installed. Can you see it here? So what you need to do is hold it down. This is to remove it. This is for information. Now, this is the final step. All you need to do is, you see this here that says pause app if unused. You need to remove it. All right. Then you need to check your notification. This notification, it says no. All you need to do is put it on. Now, meaning every information on that page is going to pop out. So right now, we don't need to go back here. We don't need to come back here. All right. I can even close this. Now, all I need to do is to go to the app and open it. Are you getting it? I'm opening it right now on the app. Can you see? Okay, so here, you're already on your app. Okay, so we're already on the app and everything is good. But what you need to understand here is that I'm going to cover and explain more about this latency, the slowing down. If your internet is too slow and boring, it's for your own good. Don't trade. It's not even going to trade. If you trade, it's going to let you know your internet is poor. You can't trade right now. So in the next video, we're going to be going over the trading plan, how to trade with the bots, the rules to follow, and I'll see you in the next video.